Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. Hey, I got another video. Hey, what if you could earn $400 instantly every single hour on Autopilot by going to this site? Check this out. What I'm about to show you is how you can make $400 right now for free. You don't have to spend no money on this website that I just discovered. And I thought I would share with you. Listen, my name is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. I've made millions and millions of dollars on the computer. Listen, this is the iPhone, a yellow iPhone that's the same color of my Lamborghini. And this is my YouTube channel. And if you follow me here, I'm going to show you step by step right on this screen. I'm not going to BS you. I'm not going to edit this video too much. This is going to be real and this is going to be live. Listen, don't smash the like button until I give you massive value. And let me tell you one thing before I show you the website that you can guarantee to start making money right now as long as you're not lazy. In life, you don't get what you want. This is for all my future entrepreneurs. This is for everybody that wants to start a business online or offline. Listen, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. Which means is, while I show you this badass strategy that can take you from where you are to where you want to be, you got to picture every day that it works, okay? Don't be one of those naysayers. Don't be one of those negative people. It's too many of them. You are different. Now, pay attention. And remember, you can always sub to the channel, but don't smash the like button right now until I give you massive value. Let's go! All right, look, check it out. So the website is latium.org. This is a cool website. Like I said before, I get a lot of these techniques and tricks from this very exclusive group that I'm in. It's about 100,000 a year to be a part of this. And what I've decided to do, when they give you these tips, I give them to you, right? So that's why people like my videos, because I just give you massive value here. So Latium.com is basically freelancing. Now listen, I know what you're thinking. You may say, Wesley, do I need any skill? No. Do I need to know how to use the computer? All you need is your fingers. And watch this video to the very end. I'm going to show you on this website 3 ways how you can guarantee to make money starting tonight if you follow and listen to everything that you're about to hear. Now, the first step is logo creation. Okay? You can get paid a ton of money by creating logos. Let me show you why. All right, here we go. So the thing is, on this website, if you look right here, they're going to pay me $500 to create a logo for them. That's crazy, right? And the great thing, they pay you in cash, Bitcoin, Latium coin. Right now, Bitcoin is huge. So if you don't have any Bitcoin, you are behind the scene. This site is powerful because it gives you the ability to basically create a logo for this company, and they will pay you $400 to $500. Now, I know what you're thinking, Wesley, I don't know how to create logos. Write this website down right now, okay? Go to freelogodesign.org. If you ever wondered how people create logos for people, you know, when you're creating a logo for your company and people say, well, okay, let me, what do you want? Okay, give me about 2 weeks. They go to websites like this, okay? That's all you have to do. Say it like my company. It's Virgin Media, okay? Virgin Media, take action now, right? It's the name of my company here because we always take action now with what we see, and you're awesome for listening here. And say if the logo that we're creating is going to be in animal and pets, right? And I hit get started here. It's very easy. Bam, bada boom, bada bing. Now it's going to basically create all these different logos here. So when you think other companies are spending hours using Photoshop to create a logo for you, they're not doing that, okay? You just don't know, but now you know. Give me a like. Let's go! Look, you take all these logos, you find one that you like, you go back to the gig, and based off the requirements of what this person wants here, right? Based off what this person wants here, all you have to do is you place a bid. You can say like, well, you know, $400, I'll send you a bid. And then here, you write your qualifications here. And then you want to place a bid. And then you want to just basically give them some images. You know what I like to do? I say, you know what? In here I say, I know you get a lot of people that are bidding on this project. How about before I place a bid, send you a couple of logos that I just created. I spent a couple of hours, even though you actually didn't, right? You went to freelogodesign.com, and I want to send you some logos in advance. It's powerful, right? You send them a few logos in advance, and then they like you. Say, okay, I like this guy. They say, can you send us more? Place your bid, $400, right? So what you do is, to win this, you give them a few logos before you place a bid. Does that make sense? It's powerful, okay? So this website here has a ton of logos that you can create right now. That's one. Now listen, number 3 is super powerful. You'll make a ton of money. Let me show you number 2 here, okay? Now, translations, okay? Translations, okay? Can everybody hear me? Translations, all right? So let's scroll down here. Here we go. Translations here. So basically what's crazy, you as a freelancer, you know nothing, right? Remember, you don't have to know anything to do this because you're using different software that I'm going to show you to use to do this. I know a guy right now, he earns $400 every 2 hours. It's crazy. No, like every 2 hours on this website, he does it from his house. He lives in California. He's like 25 years old. It's insane here. So you can do it too, but you gotta take action, okay? So you go here, and these people are gonna pay you $200 to translate welcome letters, translate anything, right? Now I know what you're thinking. Now let's look at the bid here. Seeking Russian translator. Now, I know something about you that you might be thinking, Wesley, I don't speak Russian. Well, guess what? I don't either. And you don't have to. This is what you do. You go to Google Translate here. Oh, I love this website, right? Listen, these are the behind the scenes ways to make money online passively. This is passive income. Don't think that internet marketers are working their butt off so much. We're smarter than the average bear. You have to be smarter than the average bear and you'll make more money. You won't make $1 million, but just start understanding how the internet marketing industry and how all these people that you see like me, that you love so much, make all this money. So it'd be something like this. I want to translate something. So the man, we're looking for a native speaker to hire for translation services to English, okay? So basically all they're going to do is they're going to send you information for you to translate, okay? Does that make sense? But all you have to do once you start to get, or when you place the bid, you go to Google Translate and say, let me give an example. Let's translate this right here. I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to paste it here, and I want that translated into Russian. Boom, boom, boom. You see that? Boom, boom, boom. It's done. It just translated it perfectly, as if I am an actual Russian speaker. So when you start to place your bids here on the website, you don't have to speak it. You just go to Google Translate and you start to submit them all the information. Listen, do I deserve a like now? Let's go! Okay, let me continue because I told you I was going to give you a powerful one. And this one, if you sign up for Latium.org right now for free, it takes about 1 minute or 2 minutes to go through the profile, okay? This is the most powerful way, and you can do it right now, and you can do it easily. Please, I ask you this. Do not share this website with other people, okay? So what you do is you go to browse projects, okay? And you want to scroll down, okay, to writing and content, okay? Now I know what you're thinking. I'm not a writer, Wes. You don't need to be a writer. I don't care if you don't know what A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You could have failed English in college and high school. It doesn't matter, and this works. Look, looking for skilled writers. Well, let's find the guy that pays a lot of money. Listen, the gigs that I apply for on my team is gigs that pay $400 to $500 because me personally, I'm going to make $500 per hour, right? If you have a ton of people, listen, once you get the hang of this, you'll be able to make $400 to $500 every hour, right? Because later you'll develop a team. Right now, you're going to do this for yourself. You're going to make some money. You're going to see it come into your PayPal account. You're going to be excited like you are right now. And then you hire a team. Later, I'll show you how to do that in one of my other videos here, okay? Now, check this out. So if we scroll down, and let's see, what do we want to do here? Owner store, written content. Let's look at this one here, okay? Looking for a fantastic creative writer to help us shape our web presence, okay? So great. So this is what I'm going to do. Before I place the bid, I'm going to leave them a message, and this is what I'm going to do. Now, let me show you something powerful. I'm going to go to yahoo.com, okay? Don't share yahoo.com. Don't tell nobody this site exists. I'm just kidding. Look, go to yahoo.com, and you just take a story here. Shaquille O'Neal's sons, Kobe Bryant's jersey number, and clown. See the pic. Okay, here we go. Check it out. So this is a pretty good article, okay? And what I can do is this. I copy and paste. Now, I know what you think. You say, Wesley, isn't this plagiarism? Let me show you. Go to this website. It's called spinbot.com. This is what I use to be able to create articles, blogs very quickly for people, and they'll pay me a ton of money. And I'm not the greatest writer on the planet, but I use here. You copy and paste here, right? I'm not a robot. Go to chimney, captchas. You know what's so funny? I have another video that you can go on my channel right now, and it shows you how to get paid for captchas. Like, I hate captchas, but you can actually get paid for this. Now look at that. Okay. And go. Okay, look at that. See? This is crazy. So what it does, it takes what you grab from the internet, and it's going to rewrite it below. Then you take that, basically. It don't have to be this one, right? I'll just give you an example. What you want to do is find an article that was written very well, that's very influential as well, maybe popular, right? Then you go back to here, and you just paste it here, right? You say, I want you to check out this content that I just wrote. What do you think, right? That's not plagiarism at all. But the spin bot is going to rearrange the words. It still makes sense, but it's basically your words based off spin bot. This is powerful. I do this a lot, actually. My team does this, and we make a ton of money, okay? Now, I just showed you how to make money, right? Now, I know some of you right now are thinking, Wesley, I really want to be in Miami with you. I want to have that beautiful view. I want to travel the world. I want to buy Cartier bracelets for no reason. I want to waste money on yellow iPhones. Check it out. Listen, I know a lot of this, what you just heard, may be a little bit complicated, okay? But what I would like to do, if you want me to set it up for you, that means on Latium.com, this is what we're going to do for you, okay? We're going to set up your account to get it ready to start earning money. Let me put a disclaimer out there. You got to do the work, okay? We're just going to give you a head start. If you're not a technical person, because on Latium.com, you have to make sure that the website or the profile that you're creating looks nice. Because if it doesn't look nice, then people are not going to hire you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you the opportunity to allow me and my developer. What we're going to do is we're going to create your profile. See, if you want to be an article writer, I recommend article writing, translating services, or logo creation. You choose one. You let us know which one you want to do. If you choose logo, we will create your account that it looks like you've been designing logos for 10 years. If you're a translator, we'll make your profile to make it look like you've been designing and translating for years. That makes sense? It's just to give you a head start so you can get to the land of paradise. Listen, jobs are for losers. You know, that's just over broke. You don't deserve to have a job. A job sucks, and that's not what I want you to be. So if you want me to do this for 10 people per month, I put them in a special program where my developer would do it all for you. We'll create the account. Now listen, it's not our responsibility to make you money. That's what you have to do, right? Using these methods that I gave you. But if you want us to create the account to make it attractable, the key is on these type of websites, your website has to show social proof. It has to be attractable so people want to hire you. Make sense? And then we'll give you a few tips on how to use language in a way to get people to send you messages like crazy. So you'll start making like $300 like per week and sometimes per day. Listen, I can charge $1,000 for this, but it's only $99. Only 10 people. I'm sorry about that. It's not for everybody. It's only for the people that are just not technical. But I do suggest try it by yourself. Listen, just give it a go. You know, I remember the first time I made my first $7. It took me 7 years. I'm reading self-development books. I'm going to Tony Robbins seminars, walking on fire, reading books, listen to self-development tapes all day, right? Trying to separate from my negative friends. It was tough. But most people, the reason why they fail is because you don't take action. Listen, find you one thing that makes sense right now, that you know that works right now, that you like. Take action on it. If you want me to do it for you, me and my developers, I'm going to leave an email below in the description below. And listen, we're going to create the account for you. We're going to make it attractable. We're going to make it more attractable than other people's accounts. I do this every day. This is what I do. I have over 15 streams of income by doing work like this. But just like you, I was focused. I was willing to do it. I was willing to sacrifice time and friends. And now I'm a multi-millionaire. And that's what I want for you. Now, for all those people that want to email that address, that means that you're willing to pay $99, which is nothing. And within 24 to 48 hours, my team, the guy that does everything for me as it relates to graphic design, logo design, website design, he's an expert. He's the guy that created my first site that I made $30 million on. It's called fattominister.com. I made $30 million. I'm going to give you that guy for $99 to create it for you, because it has to look good and it has to be written persuasively so people will start sending you money so you can get to Miami, right? Miami with the Latina. Yeah. Hey, go ahead and smash the like button right now. Listen, 10 people only. Hit that email. Do not email me if you're not ready to take action. Remember, all millionaires take massive action. We don't think too much. We just go for it. We get focused and we make tons of money. Listen, one more thing before I let you go. Before I know that you're excited right now, smash the like button, sub for the channel. If you want me to teach you how to make money online, let's mentor you, okay? It's a different class with me and you and other people, with 10,000 people. We get about 500 new people every single day. If you want to be one of those people, I will leave a link in the description below. It's called Online-Help. It's all good. Listen, you don't have to enroll in that program. But if it's something that you want because you're sick and tired of the 9-to-5 grind, you're sick and tired of getting pennies and peanuts, if you're just sick and tired of just having a piss poor life, let me show you how. The best way to be successful is to stand on the shoulders of other successful people. Stop listening to Pookie. Stop listening to Ray Ray. Stop listening to your broke friends and your broke parents. You have to change the mindset. You got to change the people, and you got to change the people that you listen to. Listen to winners. And I'm not saying I'm a winner. Okay? I love you guys. This is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Smash the like button, and I will leave the link right below. 10 people right now. After 10 people email me, willing to pay $99 so I can create their account in 24 to 48 hours because you're ready to take action right now, email me. If not, I love you, and I'll see you soon. This is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Let's